Good morning, everybody. I hope all is well with you. So, I'm gonna be undoing my hair. It is old and raggedy. I have had it for over a month, just a little bit over a month, maybe like a month and a half, maybe. So, the tools I'm gonna be using to undo my hair is I'm gonna use some clips because this is going to be the best way for me to section my hair, and then 2 bottles of water. It's a spritzer situation so that I can be able to detangle smoothly, some sort of comb to continue to help you detangle, but I'll be using most of my fingers, and my nails are nice and short. I have had to cut them anyway, and some conditioner as well. I think the conditioner will just give my hair some moisture because I don't think, you know, when you have fiber on your hair slash hippies slash extensions, whatever you call them, when you moisturize, you are sharing the product with the extra hair that's on your head. So I think the deep conditioner is going to help me a lot, but I think I'll only apply the deep conditioner once I have a big section, and then undo the smaller little twists that I may be doing. So let's undo my hair and have a nice wash day. I think I'll be using similar products. My deep conditioner will be different. I finally got the one that I've been telling you guys about. Continue watching so that you can see which deep conditioner I use. You can start guessing though in the comment section. I have cut my long ponytail and I'm using this needle, the opposite side of it where it's not sharp, to continue to undo my hair, but mainly using my fingers to get this part done. Please ensure when you are taking down your hair you are very, very patient, because this is the process where most people are prone to ripping out their hair. And I'm showing you guys here that I have a little bit of growth, but my hair has a lot of dandruff and a lot of product buildup. As you guys can tell, that white part is from me moisturizing my hair, which is not an entirely bad thing. And then I'm gonna go in with a deep conditioner to moisturize my hair so that I can be able to detangle a little bit. Here I'm not doing a thorough detangling session. I'm going to detangle once my hair has been fully saturated in water after I've shampooed, but here I'm just starting the process to remove any hair that's already broken, and then sectioning it up using some clips and then putting up in a twist so that it's easy for me to work around the rest of my hair, and just so that it's a little bit neat. And yeah, okay, so I have done my hair. It's out and about just like so. It's in small little twists just like that. You guys see that, right? We're going to be following the same procedure like I did the last time, except this time around we're not going to be disappointed at the end when we find out that we don't like our deep conditioner that we bought our hard spent money, right? So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to use the same shampoo, the Lenore shampoo. I really liked it, hence why it's making a comeback. When I don't like a product, I'm not going to go back and buy it again and maybe, you know, try to see if there was something wrong. I don't do that very often. So I will be using Lenore. This is a South African brand. Then we are going to condition with the Dark Lovely. I found it. My little sister found it for me. She found it in a Pick and Pay. So this is what I wanted the first time I did my wash day, my previous video basically, but I didn't get it, and hence why I decided that I have to review. It was an opportunity to review because I didn't get what I wanted. So I finally got my hands back on it, and I want to see if it's still consistent and if my hair still absolutely loves it. I am going to also do a deep treatment. I'm going to use this as a treatment. This is not even a treatment, but it's more like a deep conditioner. So we're going to do a conditioner, then we're going to do a deep conditioner because this is nice and thick, and I love how my hair feels afterwards. I just shampooed my hair and this is the second wash. Look, like I said, I still like the shampoo. I hope the bathroom is not echoing, but I still love the shampoo. I think the Lenore shampoo is great. I'm using it for the second time and still no complaints. So I think for me, it could, I don't know if it will be like a staple because it's online, and you know, sometimes when the products are not available in store, it does yeah, sometimes it's not as convenient. You know, I know it's online, it's supposed to be a little bit more convenient, but when I'm going to clicks and I want to buy something and it's not there, I don't know. I don't think I feel inclined enough to go on the brand's website and purchase the product from there and have to pay for delivery, of course. So I don't know. Just washed my hair and now it's time to put on my first deep conditioner so that I can be able to detangle my hair, and then straight after this we're going to get into a proper deep conditioner. So as mentioned, Dark and Lovely is making a comeback. For those who don't know the product, it's not like a thick consistency. That's why I'm using it as almost like a conditioner instead of a deep conditioner. Okay, let me show you guys a step-by-step on how you should be detangling your hair, no matter how long it is or no matter the condition. Okay, so you're first going to start by detangling the ends of your hair and then work your way up like I am showing you guys here. And you're going to ensure that you're using products with a lot of slip, and you're going to be using tools such as a wide tooth comb or your clips in order for you to section your hair so it's a little bit neat, and you also know which parts are done and which parts aren't done. This is the kind of thoroughness you want to use. You guys can see this section has no knots whatsoever. And I also wanted to come back and make a bold stand that this is how 4C natural hair looks like. I think, you know, the internet is what it is, but in real reality this is how most people's hair look like. You're not gonna have super defined curls, they're gonna be coils, and this is how it looks. So this is how 4C hair looks like, and I have low porosity hair and I've been growing my hair for 1 full year. Okay, let me tell you something. If you are left with 150 or whatever the case may be, and you're looking for a reliable conditioner that will actually do what it says it's gonna do, look no further than the Dark and Lovely aloe vera hair treat. I have tried the papaya, the banana, and the aloe one will always be my favorite. I think it's also clearly my sister's favorite as well. So I have enjoyed using this as I was rinsing my hair. So I detangled all of my hair with the product in it, and my hair was super soft. That's the one thing I felt instantly when I slept with the product and I worked it into my hair, and then I was sectioning and detangling as I went. 10 out of 10. Repurchase. I hope they never go out of stock. I hope this line will continue for a lot, because it's a 3-in-1, which is great, because I was about to say you can actually use this as a leave-in as well and as a rinse-off conditioner. So I used it as a detangling product and a conditioner for today because it provides you with a ton of slip. I'm 4C, in case you don't know, low porosity, and I have used and tried this in the past, and I think maybe this might be my 4th purchase of the product. So I can tell you now, the more I see, I feel like the next time I see it, because it's so rare to find, because down the road I have a Pick and Pay and they don't have it. When I do find it at a Pick and Pay, because that's where my little sister says she got it from, I'm gonna buy 2 or 3 just so that I'm stocked up, because Afro Botanics is missing. Do you guys know what's going on with Afro Botanics? Because I'm getting a little bit worried now. I mean, I'm stressed out. That's my favorite. They are my favorite when coming to deep conditioners, honestly, in terms of South African brands that I love, and I'll continue to repurchase, also because the quantity of the bottle makes a whole lot of sense. Guys, I'm telling you now, if I didn't want to deep condition my hair any further, I could stop right now and still be happy with the results of my hair, because my hair is so nourished. It feels like it's super hydrated, which is exactly what I'm going for, because I haven't been washing my hair the longest of time. And as mentioned, I'm using this bad boy here as a deep conditioner today, because I did mention the last time I used it as a normal conditioner. Today I am using it as a deep conditioner. The other thing, I've detangled my hair, so I'm using this like technique not to tangle up my hair. So I'm kind of like applying the product, but I don't want to like rub it in, because that's what is going to cause the tangling. And I just worked really hard. I think I spent about 15 to 20 minutes detangling my hair and it feels great. So I'm not trying to lose all of my work by rubbing in the product. So it will get to the bottom. I'm just going to continue to take large sections and pinch it so that I can work the product in. But what I definitely don't want to do is, you guys can see that my hair is properly tangled. You can see there's no tangles whatsoever. I worked really hard and put my back into it. This is a friendly reminder that you lose about 100 hairs each day. Therefore, when you are detangling, shedding is absolutely normal. Obviously, this is a good amount. You don't want to have an excessive amount, but shedding is very normal, okay? If you still don't know how to blow dry your 4C hair, let me know in the comment section and I will record a step-by-step video. However, in this video I used the Revlon heat protectant, and guys, it marked exactly 1 year since I've been growing my hair. I've cut my hair and this is the amount of growth that I have received in exactly 12 months. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want me to let you know how I grew my hair this quickly, this thick, this healthy, let me know and I'll be happy to share as always. See you guys in my next one. Bye.